Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tex, and the app drawer has finally arrived on the stable version of MIUI Launcher. To turn on the app drawer, go to Home Screen again. Then you will find the With App Drawer option. Choose it and you will find the app drawer. When you turn on the app drawer, you will find that it looks extremely similar with POCO Launcher, with the app category on top and search bar at the bottom. Xiaomi borrowed most features from POCO Launcher, but they forgot to include the ability to make submenu into an app. This is the feature I like the most. Well, at least Xiaomi included the submenu. The other thing that I kinda don't like it is how Xiaomi Launcher display the app name. On POCO Launcher, if the name can't fit in one line, it will just hide it. But at Xiaomi Launcher, it is break down into two lines. This is just something that I visually can't stand it. Even though App Drawer is finally available on stable MIUI Launcher, but it is still full of bugs where it will go blank sometimes when you go back to the home screen. After trying the long-awaited app drawer to arrive at MIUI Launcher, it felt like the main launcher that you will find on Xiaomi Android Go smartphone. Well, this is a very good start for those that wanted app drawer like me, yet don't want to download a launcher. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.